Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on SQL part 4. In today's video, we will be learning some DML commands. For example, the alter or the modify command, which is used to change the structure or the modify the structure of the table order that we have used. Okay, so let's see alter and modify, how this alter and modify command can be used in SQL query. We will take the same table. So in the last class, suppose this is the table with the following attributes like this. As you can see, role, name, marks, result and date of birth. Suppose I want to change the, now see the name is of type character. Okay, now suppose I want to change the data type, so I will be writing var variable character 2. Now I want to change the name, which is of data type character, to variable character. So you have to write alter table name. The keyword is modify. Modify, what I am going to modify, the name of the column is name. Then the data type of the name is variable character 2 and length is 30. So I can modify it. Now see, table altered command is there. So if you see the description, now if you see the description, earlier it was character, now it is character, variable character. Now suppose the length of the name is not sufficient for some students, so I want to increase the length of that particular column called name. So I can write here alter table name, modify name, which is of character now, to length this. So if you execute it, that the thing is that there is an also option of table altered. Now you can see the table. Okay, so if you see the table, now you can see that it has been now changed to the length 35. Okay, so let's see some of the few things. Suppose one more thing you can see here, suppose you want to find the names of the student in ascending order. So you can write here select star from, in the ascending order of their marks. So you have to write the keyword order by marks. Okay, so you want to see the names of the students order by in the ascending order of their marks. Then you can see this is the ascending order. So the default ordering in case of SQL is ascending. If you want to see the marks in the descending order, you have to simply write DESC keyword after the table, after the value by which you want to sort the values. Okay, so if you write descending, all the marks will be descending. Now you can change it order by, you can write it like name also, it will be sorted by name wise. Okay, and if you want to see it by date of birth, it is also possible in the increasing order of the date of birth. So it is also possible here. Okay, so now let's now do what we can do. We will see some of the more alter commands here. Suppose by using alter, as you know, you can add some new value to the new column to this existing table. Okay, so you can say here add, suppose gender of character 1. Okay, all right. So now see, there is, the table is altered because there is having one column which is of type character, and that the name of the table column is gender. As you can see here, the gender is given here. Okay, now as you can see, whenever by using the alter command, we have add one column that is of type gender. Suppose we don't want the column right now. Okay, suppose we want to delete a particular column, then also you can write alter table student 3. Okay, drop column, that is the keyword. What is the column name? That is gender. So this will delete the particular column called gender. Student, so there is a spelling mistake like this. So if you execute this, now see, there will be no column called gender in the description of the table. So you can that column, okay. Using the same alter command, now you can see that this is the primary key of our table, okay. This is the primary key, that is the roll number is the primary key of our table. Now using the alter command, you can also drop the primary key, okay. So you can write here alter table, okay, student 3, then drop primary key, okay. So it should be primary. Now see that primary key option has been dropped from this table, okay. So as you can see, there is no primary key in your table. So what does it mean that there is no primary key, that or the primary key option has been deleted from this table? Now suppose you have accidentally deleted, now you have think that you want roll number to be your primary key. So what you can now write this, you have to alter table name, then you have to write what? Modify roll, which is of type character name, roll, which is of type name of length of this to be the primary key, okay. So if you execute this, invalid alteration of data type, so it should be number, number. So now see the table has been altered. So if you see now, so again roll number key has been assigned as the primary key of the table, as you can see. So you can use the modify or the alter command to modify the structure of the table or the different constraint of the table, fine. So this is how you can use the alter command or the modify command to modify or the alter the structure of the table. So hope this video will be useful to you. Thank you very much.